Hi friends, this is Rayapati and welcome to Rayapati Analytics. In this video, we are going to discuss how to denote the positive and negative values with up and down arrow in two possibilities. I am bringing city here and in here I am bringing profit. Right? Here if you see there are certain negative values. So if you want to see up and down arrow, if it is negative, it should be denoting up down arrow, and if it is positive, it should be denoting up arrow. So earlier in some scenarios, I've told like write something like this: if sum of profit is greater than 0, then I will give from here, from any of these websites. You can get this. I'm just copying this up arrow, right, and pasting this in here. Right? Else, if it is not the case, if it is less than 0, then it is down. I'm just copying this and I'm pasting this in here. And put that in single quotes. And let me click on end. Now let me click on OK, and I'm bringing this in here. Sorry, I'm bringing this in here. Now you can see, and if I go to the text, then here I can show them in the same line. Now you can see if it is negative, it is down, and if it is positive, it is up. But rather than doing this, there is much easier way to do this. Rather than doing it in here, I am right clicking on it, going into format, and here I am going into custom, or let me give numbering. In numbers I want this, and then I am going to custom. Now when you select any of these and then you go to custom, you can see the formatting, right? So now here what I am doing is, before this semicolon, right, if it is positive, I need up arrow, right? So I am going back, I am copying my up arrow, bringing here, I am copying that. After this semicolon, I am putting my up arrow, stating that I need, wherever it is positive, I need up arrow. So immediately you got it. The same way I am going back and I am even getting the down arrow, and copy this, and here I am putting the down arrow in here. Right? This is how you get it directly. You need not write any calculation or any other thing. This is how you can get them directly. Okay? So that is about it, guys. This is not my solution, to be frank. It was given to me by someone else. I cannot name that in here, but it was given to me by someone else, and this is not my solution. Okay, but I thought it will be helpful for a lot of you people. That is why I'm making this scenario, and I'm uploading into my YouTube. And we are conducting Tableau doubt sessions on a daily basis, like Monday to Friday. If you can see in live, these are all those doubt session recordings. So if you want to attend these doubt sessions, right, then use this link. Use this Google Meet link that is given in here, right? Use this link. This will be happening on every Monday to Friday. I don't know, the camera is on, I'm offing that. Every Monday to Friday, this will be happening. Okay, at 9:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time, right? 9:30 a.m. IST. Okay, everyone. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.